To create a Confluence page directly from a Jira issue, follow these steps. Open a Jira issue. Start by navigating to the Jira issue for which you want to create a related Confluence page. Click on the issue to view its details. Link to Confluence. Ensure that your Jira project is linked to a Confluence space. This is typically done by Jira administrators via application links in the Jira and Confluence settings. Access the Confluence page option. In the Jira issue view, look for the More menu or directly for a Confluence related button. If the integration is set up, you will see an option labeled Create Confluence Page or Link Confluence Page. Create the page. Click on Create Confluence Page. A dialog box will appear asking for details about the Confluence page. You can choose a page template, set the page title, and select the Confluence space where the page will be created. Edit and save. After clicking Create, you will be taken to Confluence to edit the new page. Add the necessary content, such as project details, meeting notes, or requirements. Once finished, click Publish to save the page. A link back to Jira. The new Confluence page will automatically link back to the Jira issue, providing easy navigation between Jira and Confluence.